Yes, some people say I'm gonna wash it now with some salt. A lot of people don't know say salt can wash the meat, you know. I really have no vinegar, so home style. Yeah. The salt and yeah. That I go and cut him up and fix him up. Season him up. Yes, my people. So that I go on, come what I go on. So seasoning time. We have some jerk seasoning, Maggi. Yeah. Get it up. Hold on with it, you know, nothing. You know, you don't. Yes, people, so good old Maggi season upon him, you know. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, so I even this season up and ready. Up on the fire, you know. But before me do that, my people, call this chicken fat, chicken back fat. So I about to deal with them things after me puppy them, but I don't want to give them raw. So everything seasoned, then I go fry them to also get the oil out tight too. So I eat that. Yes, my people, so I throw them in a pot now. I'm going to fry out. So that actually will give me some oil, people. Yeah. So meat are going in a pot now, my people. So you have some garlic and pepper and an oil. Yeah, man. So we do it. I like burn my curry still, you know. Some people put it on them meat, but I love to burn it. Yes, and I did I make him burn. Yes, my people, so meat can go in, you know. Then we have a stir it. Yes, people, you see that? Yes, my people, so stirring. Yeah. And then we have a cover. Yes, people, so don't know your curry chicken back there on the fire. Slice up some skillet and now to cook some white rice. Don't know everybody do them things different. But my white rice, it feel nice. Nice. So I dice up local seasoning. Put in on my white rice. So people don't move me, I go show you how I do it. Just watch how I go on. So watch how I go on, people. In the meantime, I'll at my people make I see what I go on with the curry chicken back. So you see that, people? No water not choke on him yet. Steam him, steam. Yeah. Nothing beat better pack curry, my people. You see better pack? Yeah. Good curry. So you see that, my people? Yeah. Don't forget outside. They are do a thing. Say curry a mind him own business, my people. You know the oil are going hot. We do some white rice. So I just want to look my people, make me show you how the strips go. On this now, a piece of garlic. Yeah, some of these white rice, you know, people. I don't know how to do it for now, so, but I saw me love do it. Yeah. So after that now, my people, I'm going to run in this now the oil. Then I go on, people, then I go pour some water in there. I eat your feet to sit there. Now stick your hand. Now add a little more water. And we're going to make that go and boil. About one Maggi. And we have some salt. Yes, my people, so that's going to go and boil. So link on about me. Yes, people, so curry chicken back, my people. Yeah, man, so I'm going to pour in some seasoning, you know. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, so see him there? Yeah. Yes, my people, so running some rice now. It's a white rice mixed with the brown rice, my people, because some love it, you understand? Yes, my people, so no thing go. Outside we out. Yes, my people, so don't know we outside. See ya. Curry chicken up my people. Finish and now my people. Ready for it. Over here, so. Have a wide rice. Yes, my people. And after that, now you know what I go on, my people.
What is it?
Look what I go on now, my people.
Can you hear something more to your mouth?
Nothing. Ashes up the pot of my people. I make some herbs tea. A lot of people never drink herbs tea before. My general. Yeah man, some better show me vibe. I don't know them from how they see them about the place.
No man, I don't want me them come out in and goat them, but I don't want them to say I run them out.
Yeah. People, so dinner time, my people, so we go eat some food. Number beef curry there. No strips go. Yes, my people. Look like a good. Yes, the over here, so. See it, my people. Curry chicken back. White rice. Yes, some people we have some herbs tea. Good old ganja tick. Yeah man, we tick my people. So you see that? We're gonna make some tea now. Yes people, so I have a little sugar. Normally we just do it with the sugar, but I love spicy my one, you know my people, so I'm gonna add a little vanilla that's going in it. You understand? Yes my people. So we're pouring the water and I'm gonna show you one. Yeah. See that my people? Yes, my people. So, we tea that. Yes, people. So, curry chicken back, white rice, Jamaican food, yard vibes tea, Ella Biggs, outside kitchen. And yes, so me have some wheat tea in the paper. You understand? Herbs tea. Yeah. So. You don't know anything, look. Subscribe, like, and share. Or share, like, and subscribe. You don't know anything. Boom, check out. Yes, my people, so. Don't know. Ella Bigs they are going to eat some food. Yeah, man. Yes, my people.